All right, we're back at the house, and we have, I don't know what's going on here. We got electrical done. Master bedroom, start against back wall. You got wire, outlet comes over here, jumps up into there, comes over here, hits that one, comes up, grabs the TV, I guess that's a cable outlet. This is where the 50 amp drops down for the spa. Got water pipes coming down here in the back corner for the shower outside. Blue box up top, no idea what that goes to. Kind of tracing that wire and it disappears out into La La Land. Got another outlet here and that ends it. Here's your switch panel right here. That's it for the master. Closet, you've got a light up top. Back side of the closet is the shower quad box. Light over here for the closet. And this is the back side. So it shouldn't be too much of a problem other than this one when we start hanging shelves. I'm not sure if they're going to do it. Outlet in there for some strange reason. Got a box there. Heading into a hallway. Got an outlet in the hallway. Let's hit the master bath. Got a quad box there. Got plumbing that goes up on that wall. Light fixture there. This looks like it's probably going to be a fart fan. Coming down. That's your pipe for your toilet. In here we have nothing. Backside is power for the second bedroom. 2 valves. This one apparently comes out here, which is going to go up somewhere, hopefully. This one shoots up and comes up to the top for the rain. Leaving the master. Back into the hallway, we have orange cable for a dryer. So the dryer will be on this side. There's your washer, washer drain, and washer vent, which goes up. No sign of dryer vent yet. So we'll keep an eye on that. That's going to be a pain. Light switch here for that. And then there's a wire up top with lights for the, this would be the first pantry right here. I'm not sure why they put light switches on the inside of the pantry, but that's where it is. And way up top is a light for the pantry. All the wiring is coming down back side of this wall. Back side of the wall is the living room. That's it for that pantry. Jumping out here, there's another outlet in the hallway. Got a box here, probably for hallway lights. Second pantry, no power, and 1 light up top. Light switch is probably going to be on this one on the outside. Let's see if we can trace it. No. There's the wire for the light switch, and it goes, looks like down to here. So that's going to be your light switch for that pantry. Coming out in the living room, got an outlet there. Lots of wires going up there. Lots of wires across the top there. And we drop down here, there's a box on the closet and a box for the living room. Wires run on side beam. And they all come down here. This is going to be your box. So it looks like we have fan, pool, no idea what that is. Living room recess lights, something, can't figure that out. And that's that box, and that drops down there, and then all that disappears. Coming over here, we drop down to a box. And that runs out to a box outside. All that wiring out there is going to be for the can lights, outlet, TV. Got some wires running there. Wires running down there, running into the kitchen. 36-inch base. Not sure what SS stands for. Got a GC18, not sure what GC18 is. Sink base, wires for the dishwasher, and the bottom plug there. Not supposed to have a garbage disposal on a septic tank, so I have no use for one. Got an outlet there, looks like an outlet there. This would be the plumbing, which runs into the kitchen, comes over. That runs out. Back side of the garage, got an outlet here. Now, these outlets are not supposed to be here. These are supposed to be up in the cabinets, which they do have written right here under cabinet lighting and outlets. So I'm not sure if those are switches. We got one wire coming down. That'll be interesting. Here's your, it says GFI, and this should be refrigerator outlet. There's the cold water line for the fridge. Pretty interesting what they got done there. All right, moving on over. Big ass monster wire. Oh, that would be, I have no idea what that is. Oh, air conditioning. Yeah, the AC unit's gonna go here. This is where the air handler is. All right, that makes sense. Big ass wire for the air handler. Back side of the room, got a switch, outlet in the closet, switch in the closet, which is good. I like the light switch in the closet. Back side of the dryer, got an outlet there. Bunch of wires running over there, another outlet down there. Cold water line right there on that wall. Second bath, that'd be your shower. Outlet on that wall. There's the drain. Big ass monster gray pipe going somewhere. It's going to the pool, looks like. That just disappears over there. Outlet in here in the main hallway when you come in. Maybe there's supposed to be a switch there, I don't know. Got a box up there for some strange reason, way up there. And
Is this the light switch?
yep, that's the light switch. Yeah, that's what I said. Not really sure what they got going on there.
Maybe where I would be hanging pictures.
Yeah, well, you know.
But we'll run with it. Let's
Lots of light switches in there.